Guys, it's the Ed and JJ show with Narisa
and JJ.
And today we are making some cupcakes. We are having a indoor day because it's like, what is it? A tornado watch until like 7. So yeah, we are gonna let me bring you guys over here. So we are just making some cupcakes, and then later we're gonna be watching a movie probably. And we're gonna watch a movie. Go in the bathroom somewhere with no windows.
The southwest corner of the house.
So, we're just having an indoor day right now. And we've already made our actual like mix and stuff. So now we're gonna
shut the door. In the bathtub. It's the most stable thing in the bathtub.
You don't really have to lock the door. A tornado can't unlock the door.
I would lock it. Tornadoes can blow right through.
It can still.
It takes houses down. I'll turn the TV on so we hear, okay?
I'm scared.
Grandpa goes outside too.
Okay, but what if it does happen? I don't want my mom and dad to die.
Knows what to do. You guys have tornado drills in school. She knows what to do. It's in her head.
We do this and we get against the wall.
It's in her head. She knows what to do.
Well, we live in Ohio, okay, guys? So we've never like really experienced like major weather. Like I think the most major weather we experienced was like something almost like a hurricane, but it wasn't even a hurricane. It just knocked over like a lot of trees here. I'll be right back. Yeah, it just knocked over a couple trees and power lines went down. But seriously, like we've never experienced any major like weather experience. I don't know what to say technically. So we live in Ohio, so nothing really like super crazy like happens weather-wise. So we don't really have any. I don't think we have anything to worry about. But yeah, we're just keeping the TV on and just in case anything happens. And it's over a watch for till tornado warning. I mean until 7. And right now it is. Oops, sorry guys. Just knocking everybody over today. I'm just kidding. I haven't knocked anybody else over. So, yeah. And earlier we were at our grandma's house. If you saw that video earlier, we came home and then instead of doing a challenge, well, we were going to do a challenge. We're going to go to the park and do a challenge there, but obviously we can't go to the park because of the weather and stuff, so we're just staying inside and doing this. I'll try to do I'll try to do a challenge like sometime soon, but
Are there cookies in the oven?
Yeah.
definitely
Put
not
some in
today.
for you while you're eating.
Yeah, Jordan's making cookies and I'm making cupcakes. Put in the comments down below if you like cookies or if you like cupcakes or both. I like, or what do you like more? I like cupcakes more than cookies.
Excuse me.
I love vanilla cupcakes. Ooh. Vanilla cupcakes are my favorite. Bring this closer. So,
Yes, everybody does have gas.
she just burped.
Yeah.
She burped.
Oh, okay. Hi, sweetheart. Hello, honey. Want the cheese? Oh, get the last piece. Get the last piece of cheese. Yeah.
I want the last piece of cheese. Oh.
I love cheese like that.
Who doesn't like cheese? I'm just kidding. I'm lactose
Arby's
intolerant.
sauce? I eat it out the packet.
You do?
Yeah, without anything.
Because she's weird.
Yeah.
But who likes Arby's? Put in the comments below if you like Arby's too. This whole day, having that whole day.
This is. I guess everybody.
Say, excuse me.
Excuse me.
That's all you have to do. Everybody has gas. Good girl. Good work.
I had to move stations because
You call that chicken noodle soup, maybe some gas.
Good work.
Some water stuff. Can I start? Can I start frosting and stuff?
Jordan.
Wash your hands. Here.
Whoa.
So Jordan will be also, but I'm making the cupcakes. I'm almost done with this cupcakes batch. This cupcake batch. My grandma's doing her thing on her phone. Okay. Obviously. Something like that. So.
Wash your hands. Don't play in the water.
Oh, sorry.
She got distracted.
Did you know that every single soft thing that you're supposed to get in when there's a tornado is a bathroom?
What?
It's always a bathroom.
That's not true. What if your bathroom has, not if your bathroom has windows?
Correct.
A room that does have windows. So sometimes it's the bathroom.
I'm scared for old people if it does happen, right?
Well,
It probably won't.
It probably what?
Won't
I got
happen.
the TV on, so.
I really hope it doesn't happen.
Okay. Need that frosting, baby.
Where was
You get one and you get one.
you? Seriously have been in a tornado before?
Me?
Yeah.
Yes.
My mom has. Well, our mom.
Passed right by our house when I was a kid.
So I didn't like.
Mine's a new one.
No, I wasn't in it, and you died.
Huh?
You died. I wasn't in it, it passed right by our house.
Can you not die in a
Next
tornado?
food. Oh, thank you.
Like, is it possible for you not to die in a tornado?
Highly unlikely.
But it's possible.
Yeah.
Nothing's really impossible.
It's not impossible if you put your mind to it.
No, we're talking about in a tornado to survive.
How will we hear the tornado?
You can hear the sirens going off, and it comes on TV.
They always test out the sirens at 6 o'clock.
Gemma, can you put the timer on? Please.
Yeah.
Okay. First,
Second batch.
Okay.
I need to open the oven first. That cookie's done, which looks amazing.
Remember, you're not frosting all of them.
Yeah.
Grandma doesn't like that.
Frost since there's 6 of them.
Jordan, frost that batch and then don't frost the next batch.
No, I'll only frost like some of them.
Jordan, just frost that one.
No, Nerissa. Do you like frosting on yours, Grandma?
No, I like the regular.
I'm gonna put frosting on all the cupcakes.
Not all of them.
Yes. There's a ladybug on this cupcake.
Get it off.
No, just get it off. Go, ladybug. Go.
It's a ladybug.
I don't like ladybugs.
Okay. So, what do
It's
I do with
not
this cupcake?
funny.
Huh?
What do I do with
No,
this
stop
cupcake?
talking.
You throw it out?
Oh, that's so good for the dog. It doesn't have anything on it.
I'm not feeding it to the dog.
Who's that?
Who's what? That's Jim Tully.
It's impossible for them to be done.
It was for her cookies.
It just went off? Oh, you make another batch on it?
Yeah, while you guys were eating.
Ah.
I'm like, what?
I was so confused. I'm like, the cookies are right there. Do you have a butter knife?
Yeah, right where your sister got in the silverware drawer.
I'm gonna take some napkins. I'm scared for the title of this video.
Do you have any sprinkles? Other sprinkles?
No, I don't ever buy them, honey. Not really.
Is it because you don't bake?
I don't usually use sprinkles. Grandpa doesn't like them.
Do you?
Not really.
I like the
Sometimes
sugar.
they hurt my teeth when I bite into them, so I don't really like them.
I like the sugar sprinkle.
Yeah?
Those are my favorite. Don't use all the sprinkles, Joyce.
I know, I just put a little in my hand and just sprinkle. The bun.
Sprinkle the sprinkles.
Yeah. See,
Okay.
look how beautiful.
This is gonna be a really good cupcake.
This is gonna be a really good cookie. We should make these for the 4th of July.
You
Right?
think?
Yeah.
Good idea.
I think since we have parties and stuff, we should you should make these. And since you have 4th of July sprinkles and stuff.
Okay. Yeah.
Look, 4th of July. Ta-da!
Very nice.
See, white and stuff. It's beautiful.
I like those sugar cookies that have the frosting and then the sprinkles on them.
Mm-hmm.
Those are my
This is what you do. You sprinkle them on, and then you do this to flip the axes off. You flip them over.
I get like a
Flip
box
the
of those
axes
guys.
off. No, right.
Guys, this is really good cupcake. I have really good cupcake skills. Frosting cupcakes, I'm so good. Jordan's face just like, okay. Can I get some sprinkles? Jordan? Where are the other I was like, where's the next batch? Next cupcake. I have a great idea. For the cupcakes.
What?
How to put the sprinkles on. I'm gonna.
I put the frosted ones on top and the other ones and the ones that aren't frosted on bottom.
We can take some out to Grandpa and his friends.
Yeah. If you have some that are already cool,
Yeah.
put them on a plate and take them out.
We can take some cupcakes too, so that they want cupcakes
Right.
instead. Grandma, look.
Great idea!
I know. Jordan, you're not even in this video. Come on.
Hey, butterfly.
She's so cringy, guys. Jordan is the cringiest. Cringy.
All right, Jordan, do more cookies.
Huh?
We'll take some out when we're done with
Do more
these
cookies.
batches.
Where's the?
Right here. That's hot, so be careful. Unless you want me to do it.
Jordan,
You want to frost and I'll do it?
Huh?
like,
You want to frost and then I'll do those?
What?
Put more in the oven. You
Yeah.
want to frost? Okay.
I'll do these ones.
Okay.
she was so confused. Is my timer on for the cupcakes?
Hey.
Yep.
Hey, I say we lucky, we ready to fight.
I got my cousin here with me, and I say I'm
alright.
I'm in a Detroit with me, and I don't know.
What?
There's nothing there.
Okay.
I thought that
What
was
did
a
you think?
tornado siren.
Thunder.
We never know. Maybe it was a tornado siren. We would
No,
never
you
know.
would hear that.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
like
it's
really
really
loud.
loud.
Like it was like in the house.
Stop! She keeps copying me.
She keeps copying me.
Yep, you're copying me.
Yep, you're copying me.
Oh, that's how you want to play.
Oh, that's how you want to play.
Yep, she's a copycat.
Yep, she's a copycat.
Can I take these?
It just came out of the oven.
Oh.
Are you frosting them? You're not supposed to frost more than 6. Keep frosting the ones you have.
She's only frosted 3.
Okay, do the rest. Do the other 6.
You know what 3 mean?
I'm sorry, 3. You know what I mean.
Yeah.
No, I didn't.
Not hard to
She
figure
was
out.
talking to me, not you. There's only 3 over there, so you would only frost the other 3. I just like correcting people. Sorry.
That's what I'm talking about. Rhea, get away from the oven, honey. Come on. Go.
Does she know there's something in it?
She can smell food.
I can too. It smells really good. Cream cheese frosting is the best. Oh, got frosting on my cheek. I accidentally touched the knife to my cheek and I got frosting on my cheek.
You did.
I think Grandma likes being in our videos. Do you, Grandma?
I don't mind.
Grandma Kim doesn't.
Doesn't?
Does not.
Oh.
Indeed, she does.
Two.
Bless
Bless
you.
you.
That's so fake.
Who wasn't that?
You looking for sympathy or what?
I took 2. I'm gonna take these 4 out to them.
Okay.
2
them
orange
on-
frosted.
put them on a
2
plate.
orange. Oh my God, that's a chicken.
Yeah, it's a chicken. What do you think of this?
I've never seen a chicken.
Where's the tail?
Chickens don't have tails.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Are you guys gonna come with me?
Yeah. Hold on.
Okay.
Go ahead.
I'm gonna.
Somebody has to open the door.
I still have frosting on my face. Sorry, it's really
start
dark
off here and to kind of change radar sources to kind of show you what we're looking at, because this has now been extended into Lorain County, Ohio, and also Erie County, Ohio, in effect here until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Time. This is a radar indicated rotation, but again, this is an area where it is very hard to see, get any ground truth.